obviously you guys have your sort of game-changing system. You guys were the first to use digital targets, the RCCS3. I don't know who wants to take this, but can anyone just give us the overview of that system?
So the RCCS3, wherein you hit one of the main points on that. Obviously, it's digital targets, right? So and we talked about it earlier. You're not storing 40 or 50 different targets with different part numbers that take up space and take up room and can be lost and misplaced and hard to find. So with the RCCS3, it's a 75-inch high definition TV that we sourced specifically for ADAS. So it has been tested to meet all the OE specifications and requirements. 96% of the targets can be projected on that side 75-inch screen. So nothing's being resized or deformed. We are strict with that. With the way we do things, and as an Italian company, precision is huge. So that's your main advantage, and that's what we're excited about as far as being a different company and doing it. There are a few targets for Honda and Acura, and I think a new one for Subaru that are too wide for our screen. So obviously, instead of resizing them, those are actually physical targets. So there are 2 or 3 different targets out there that we cannot project on the screen. But the great thing is as soon as our software is updated, and as OEs are changing constantly with the way they're doing things, new sensors, new technology, new targets, we don't have to actually produce and manufacture a target in our facility. Once we have it updated in our software, our customers are going to have access to that specific target right away. They're not going to have to wait for shipping for it to come to Italy for us to have it in stock. So we can move very fast that way. We also have a nice little way of squaring up our RCCS3 frame, the new Evo. It's Bluetooth configuration, so you don't have to walk back and forth from each side trying to get those micro adjustments to get within range of the threshold. You can actually do it by watching the software while you're tilting the frame. And so you're going to go from red to green with the software Bluetooth communication through the lasers. So nice functionality with the RCCS3. It's the efficiency and the smoothness of it going through, instead of a technician having to walk them back and forth from covering targets and placing them and going back and forth. I think it's the ultimate space and time saver.
Yeah, on the target side, let's go back to that. So as you said, instant updates, you don't have to be creating a hard target. Just for our customer's sake, the updates, new targets, is there any cost for that? Because, on the hard target side, our customers do have to, a new target comes out, they have to purchase it. How does it work with TEXA?
So yes, as Geoffrey said, basically all of the new targets are automatically loaded into the software, right? So there's no physical target, which is great because you don't have to store the target, you don't have to buy the target, we don't have to ship the target, it doesn't get damaged, it doesn't get bent or lost on the way to the shop. So everything is included in the software. Whenever we release something new, and it might be a new target, then of course it's automatically downloaded. The TEXA subscription is optional, and it's $12.95 per year. Not only it includes new software developments, including new targets, but also it extends the warranty for as long as the subscription is live. And you also get the motor through speed access. So with the $12.95, you get the latest and greatest from TEXA. We cover your hardware, and you get access to motor through speed. So there's actually a lot of value in the TEXA subscription.